Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're watching this, we are going to do something fun with my hair. Basically, I haven't gotten it dyed or anything probably since I was like maybe 4 or 5 months pregnant with Wyatt, and he is 14 months now, so it has been quite some time. So I've got some regrowth here. Basically, all I want to do is match this color to the rest of my hair and just get rid of the blonde. I don't really feel like chopping off my hair, so I thought I'd just cover it up and yeah, save some money. Wyatt literally just threw up all over me, all over himself, all over the couch. Yeah, and then no one's home, so I had to figure all that out. So anyways, the couch is soaking. Wyatt's gone up for a nap because I don't think he's feeling very well. So that basically means we have an hour to 2 hours to get all of this done. So let's get going. The box dye I bought is this Garnier Nutrice Cream. I don't know, I thought it was pretty close. So we're gonna do that. I did buy 2 because, as you can see, I have like an enormous amount of hair. I have an old t-shirt to wear while I dye my hair. I'm gonna play some music, and all I'm gonna do right now is brush out my hair into sections just so it's easier to dye it.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait.
So I have my hair sectioned off, and I just want to remind you guys that I have no idea what I'm doing. This probably isn't right, but I'm going to I think what I'll do is like clip up these, or even just tie them in a knot, because I actually can. Couple knots. It's a look. So I've got the developer and I've got the color, and I should probably read what to do. Okay, easier than I thought. I only have to leave this on for 25 minutes too, which is actually way better. I thought I was gonna have to leave it on for like 40 minutes, but I keep forgetting I'm not dyeing my hair blonde.
Your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of...
Okay, so I guess we're gonna dye my hair now. I thought these were just supposed to like snap off. Yeah, okay. Might as well do that to the other one, because holy crap, that's hard. Just kidding, can't dye my hair because I can't get it off. Okay, a little nervous, guys. Little nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so funny. Right? It says on the package, nice fruity smell. Nope, it's chemicals. It's a nice chemically smell. Okay? Don't let them fool you. So I'm focusing more on the ends because they're blonde. I just want to brush some of this through. So because my roots are like so virgin, I don't want to get onto them just quite yet, because I've got like a lot of blonde to cover up. All my hair just fell out. But they're next anyway, so just keep it like there. That's pretty good. I guess even if this doesn't cover the blonde, if it just darkens it a little bit, that'd be Okay, so that's basically the bottom half, if not a little more. So I'm gonna take the rest of this bottle and just make sure it's fully saturated and work up a little bit more towards the roots, just so I don't have to come back to there. But I will not be touching my scalp because I do not want to have root growth in. So, root growth. I don't want my roots to show. So if I don't go all the way up, they don't grow back in. Does that make sense? I'm actually like really excited about this because like all the blonde's basically already covered up. Okay, so I've got the back all up in a bun. Still have some leftover hair dye from the first bottle, but not much. And then I have the second bottle all ready to go. So I think I'll just start off with the one side. There's not much here. So again, I'm just kind of pulling out until I see blonde, which is there. And then I'm gonna focus basically on this. Okay, so I think I have it everywhere. I don't see any brunette any blonde anywhere, but and then I only wait for 25 minutes, so yeah, so I'll see you back then. I'm just going to make a new coffee, and I don't know, 25 minutes isn't that long though, so I'll be back soon. Okay, so it's been like a half an hour now. It looks brown, so I'm going to jump in the shower. They gave me these. It's just the conditioner, so I have 2 of those. Might just use one and save the other one for another time, but I'm nervous and so excited. So anyways, let's do this.
Say what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say.
So I can already tell you that when I was rinsing out my hair, it totally looked like blue. I don't even know why, but let's see. Okay, so I think it worked. I think we can successfully say that the blonde is gone. I'm really not too sure how I feel about it. In the shower, it legit looked blue, but out here now, it looks better. I'm gonna see what it looks like when it dries, and I'll show you. So it is dry enough anyways for you to see that it turned out alright. My little man's up from his nap. He is feeling better and snacking. I am heating up my lunch, but I am pretty impressed with how this turned out. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed watching me dye my hair, and I'm glad it wasn't a fail. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Baby, going for love.